The Aihand 652PSI Cordless Pressure Washer is a powerful and portable cleaning tool, boasting a robust 652 psi motor that can spray up to 215 liters per hour. Despite its power, it is lightweight at just 2.5 pounds and features a 16.5-foot hose with a filter basket to effectively remove impurities and protect the device. The Aihand washer includes a long-lasting 4-hour battery capable of providing at least 45 minutes of use after a full charge and is compatible with a range of power tools. For versatile cleaning, it comes with 3 different spray nozzles, offering a variety of angles and modes, including a high-low pressure nozzle and a 400 milliliter mixture container for diverse cleaning needs. It is suitable for a wide range of situations, from watering plants and cleaning various surfaces at home to tackling hard-to-reach corners with ease. The Aihand 652 PSI Cordless Pressure Washer offers great value for its price, backed by a solid review score and a 12-month warranty for peace of mind.